Stop, you're gonna hurt yourself.
I don't have anything better to do, you dumb fuck! You wanna touch your ass?
Get the fuck in the cell.
Oh my god.
Hold on, we got another one. Gotta go, hon.
Don't touch
I know. You tried to walk past them. They're not letting you in. Have a nice night.
We're going on the back. Don't touch me.
There you go. Put your other arm.
I'll call the cops on you, you idiot.
I am a cop.
Yeah, you
You can let go. I got both.
use the power, you idiot. Got a grip. Really?
Yes, here.
So
I'm
you
just
might
grabbing your
have better
wallet,
stuff to
hon.
do. Don't touch me.
This episode is brought to us by Uncovered. Be sure to check the link below, subscribe to his channel, and give him the credit he deserves. This is the exact moment where things shift from a heated encounter into a full-blown arrest situation. Once officers physically restrain someone, the legal standard changes fast. Verbal insults alone usually don't lead to arrest, but physical resistance, refusal to comply, and interference absolutely do. When you hear repeated commands like stop and get in, those are not casual suggestions, they're lawful orders. Ignoring them can stack charges quickly. Here's the question for you. At this point, do you think the situation could still have been de-escalated, or had it already crossed a legal point of no return?
Please let go of me. I don't want you touching me.
no.
Honestly, I think you're gross.
Right now, you're my responsibility.
But I think you're gross.
I'm okay with that.
I think you're gross.
5'1" has a female once.
All of you are gross. So you guys have better stuff to do?
Stand by.
No? Nothing better to do?
6'5" has a 41.
Nothing better to do?
I'll be coming to headquarters.
Nothing better to do?
Should be nothing
I'm
back
not getting
there.
in unless I'm aware.
You have to get in, hon. Stop. 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 Stop.
You fucking...
All right? You're just gonna get another charge.
I don't care.
It's not worth
Let's
it.
spray me. I don't
It's
care.
not worth it.
I don't care. I'm not gonna
Get up.
No.
Kidding.
You fucking
If
idiot.
you get a feedback in, I'll be grabbing you with that.
You idiots. Off me. Free money. Get a girl
Yeah.
on a...
Stop, please.
No.
Watch it. Got her.
If you fuck it off, I'm getting up.
Okay, well, they're going to get off of you when we get to headquarters, okay? So just relax.
What you have better fucking do, you dumb fuck.
5'1" Belmar.
Do not take me to the police station.
13838. You cannot right now. You're under arrest. Here.
This part confuses a lot of people watching arrest footage. When someone is under arrest, officers are not required to allow phone calls immediately, even if the person asks repeatedly. Transport officers focus on safety first, not convenience. You'll notice the officer attempting verbal calming techniques, breathing instructions, reassurance, and explaining what's happening next. That's actually protocol. But here's where it matters. Continued verbal abuse and threats during transport don't disappear later. They often get referenced in reports, body cam reviews, and sometimes court proceedings. Do you think talking like this ever helps someone's case?
Can I call my friend on this?
Not right now.
Please.
No.
Sir.
I'm just your transport.
Having anxieties. I need to get out.
Well, we're about to be out. It's only like a quarter mile away. Hey, Jen, just breathe. In through your nose and out through your mouth. You can't. You're under arrest. Would you like me to open the window for you? Jen, in through your nose and out of your mouth. You can't right now. You can't right now. You're fine. Just in. Okay. Okay. All right. Well, this is all recorded, just so you know.
I don't give a fuck. You dumb fuck.
Okay. Well,
I need to get out now.
I'm gonna get you out in literally 30 seconds.
Shut the fuck up, you dumb fuck.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck about you, idiot.
All right.
Fuck up.
I'm just trying to be pleasant with you.
Okay.
Okay. Yep.
Dad, please call my friends.
Not right now.
How am I supposed to then?
You can later,
When's the liquor?
when you're released.
No idea.
We're just going right over here. This is right
Don't
up.
touch me.
Well,
Don't touch me.
unfortunately, I have.
I don't want you to touch me.
Too bad. Stop, please.
No. Fucking idiot, don't touch me. I don't want to touch.
Then walk on your own. I just have to get your purse off, okay?
I don't care. It's hooked onto me, idiot. Can I go home?
Nope.
Why don't you take a seat and take a breath? Okay.
I actually need to go home now.
Okay, well,
I'm
you
having
need-
anxiety attack, and I want the lawyers here.
Okay.
Lawyers now!
You're not going
Don't
home.
touch
Have
me.
a seat. Then have a seat.
I don't
And
care.
act right.
No.
You can just go right in the cell.
No.
Now we're firmly in booking territory, and this is where charges multiply. Refusing to sit, resisting shoe removal, kicking, stopping, or preventing officers from completing intake procedures can legally justify additional charges like resisting arrest or disorderly conduct. Even if someone believes the original arrest was unfair, resistance during booking almost never helps. Courts separate the legality of the arrest from the behavior afterward. This raises a tough question. If you believe you're innocent, is fighting the process the right move, or does it just make everything worse?
Stop. Stop.
Okay, just
Make sure there's nothing in her pockets. Thank you.
No
Nothing
one
there.
touched me.
don't start.
I want to go home.
You gotta pop your shoes off here.
What are you doing?
What's her name?
Stop, you're gonna hurt yourself.
I don't care.
Stop on my foot one more time.
It's so stupid out here.
Just kick your shoes off,
No,
please.
I want to go home. I'm not kicking my shoes off, idiots.
Yeah. Right, come on, Jen.
Hold on, I gotta get this thing out of the pocket.
Let's go to the cell.
I'm not moving.
Everything good?
Okay, we can help you, but I would much rather you walk on your own.
All right, Jen. We're gonna pick you up. All right. Stand up, nice and easy. Okay.
No.
I don't want her bracelet to break.
I want these off, and I want to go home.
Okay, well, stomping on my foot and kicking your legs around is not going to change that.
I wasn't doing anything wrong, you idiots! I wasn't. That's the thing, like, I literally wasn't.
Great.
Stop.
I'm not going.
You know what? Stop.
Take these off of me now.
You got her legs out? You need to stop, okay? You want to go home? Then stop. And just listen to what we say.
Let me go home.
Stop kicking.
So you guys have better stuff to do, you idiots.
Well-
Go arrest somebody that's doing something bad. You fucking idiots.
Well, now you got our attention, so you gotta...
No, you idiots. So you have anything better to do, you dumb. Ow!
Stop!
Jen, if you
Jen,
walk,
stop! Okay, you're making it hurt. Stop!
You guys are hurting me.
Yep.
You guys are hurting me. Ow! Ow! You sucks.
Jen, let me get those off you. Let me just get the cuffs on. Stay right there. Stay right.
The moment someone shouts, "You've got a big lawsuit coming," emotions are running high. But legally, lawsuits don't work on volume or anger. Courts look at footage, compliance, injuries, and officer conduct. Threats made during arrest don't scare departments. Evidence does. Body cams, audio recordings, and paperwork will tell the story later, not the heat of the moment. Ironically, statements made here can actually hurt future civil claims if they show aggressive or non-compliant behavior. Be honest, do you think moments like this strengthen or weaken someone's legal position?
I'm gonna actually, you guys have a big lawsuit coming, fucking guys.
Okie dokie.
Yeah, so what's you? What's your name?
I'm Patrolman Lead.
Please, what's your name? Okay. My lawyers will be calling you soon.
Okay, just have a seat. We'll be right back.
Don't fucking do it. Don't fucking do it.
Okay, well,
You're
now you
fucking
definitely catch
you
some
pigs.
charge. Definitely
You
catch.
pigs.
Back up.
Oh, you wanna touch me? Oh, you wanna touch me?
Get the f*** in the cell.
You crazy? You like that? Do you wanna punch me? You dead? Hey, brown hair. Cool. And no water's allowed?
We don't have any other water right now.
That's crazy.
I'll look for a cup here in a second, but I have paperwork to do everything else, okay?
Yeah, that's care.
So as soon as
I'm
you're-
parched and I need water now.
Okay, well, this isn't the Hilton.
Don't care.
Okay.
Didn't ask.
Would you like to keep acting like this and stay till 6 in the morning, or be released when your father gets here?
I didn't ask you to call my dad.
I didn't. I never called your dad. I don't even know how they found out, but I spoke to Mom on the phone. She said your dad's on the way. As long as you're fine, I'll release you to him, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, can I have the water?
If I can find a cup, absolutely.
Cool.
Okay? Hey, how you doing?
Hey, good.
I'm Patrolman Lee. Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
You're Jenna's dad?
Yes.
It might be a while. She still ain't acting right. So, she still wants to demand water like this is the Hilton. She's still screaming at us, calling us names. So, I mean, I'm not really in the practice of getting disrespected and then just letting somebody go early. So, I know you came down here. I'll give her a shot for another 20 minutes or so.
This is a quiet but powerful shift in the story. The father arrives, but notice how the officer emphasizes something crucial. She's 24 years old. That means legally, this is not a juvenile situation. Parents can't override booking decisions, demand releases, or control the process. Release depends entirely on behavior, safety, and officer discretion. The officer even explains the choice clearly: calm down and go home, or continue acting out and stay longer. At this point, what would you do if you were in the holding cell?
And then if she's fine, we'll get her out to you, okay?
What did she do, if you don't mind me asking?
I mean, I can't really tell you. She's an adult. She's 24, but she's got some charges. So there'll be a court date. I'll make sure she has all the paperwork when she leaves. But, yeah, her conduct has not been wonderful. So,
Does she know I'm here?
yeah, no, I let her know.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, she's been accosting us over water, which I gave her a cup of water before, and she just wants more and more, and tell my dad and this and that, and, okay. Unfortunately,
Can I see her?
no, not right now. Like, we can't let civilians back in there. I apologize.
That's fine.
All right. No, I mean, I get it. She's safe. She's in the cell. She's not, harmed or anything like that. But her actions right now are completely just ridiculous. So, all right. We got. Oh, hold on. She go out the door. Right. And then just, no, not this one. All the way down. And then just make a right in here. Oh, but you thought your sneakers on.
Oh, what? We've been here for like 2 hours. When I didn't have any water. Sorry. It was so hard for the water.
Here's all your property.
Where's my phone?
You didn't have your phone with you. Let's see. Charges, there's noise, interference with business, defiant trespass, assault, and resisting. The court date, I'll circle on here for you. It's going to be June 12th at 9 a.m. What's that?
What do y'all get charged with?
As far as what?
You guys actually kept me in there.
Okay.
I'm taking water.
I got you water.
Yeah, after car walking that thing. You have that on video?
Sure.
Cool. Can I have that today?
No, you can't. You'll have to ask for it.
Cool. I'm gonna call.
Okay. But your dad's out in the lobby. I got your charges right here. Just June 12th, 9 a.m. And then I would just also contact the court. Make sure nothing changed with the court date or anything like that, okay?
Are you proud of yourself?
Or
Making a big arrest?
I didn't arrest you.
Just.
Can you just make a right? This way?
No.
Okay. Just like this way. We're just going towards the brown door.
I don't know where I'm going.
And it's right towards the brown door.
What's your name?
Patrolman Leave.
First name?
Eric?
Eric Lee.
Yep. Your dad can be right out here to the left.
You can go to the left there.
Okay, have a nice day.
So let's wrap this up clearly. The charges listed here, noise interference, defiant trespass, assault, and resisting, all stem from escalation after initial police contact. Regardless of how this began, the final outcome was shaped by behavior, not arguments. The court date is set, paperwork is issued, and the legal system now takes over. This case is a reminder that composure matters, especially on camera. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom and police breakdowns. We'll see you in the next one.